What's going on, guys? Sorry I haven't made a video in a while. Stuff in life come up with school and everything, and just haven't had time to really do anything to the car. I'm going to be prepping my car for a ceramic coating that I'm going to do this afternoon. So we're going to do the Adams Polish strip wash. We'll do this, and I'm probably going to clay bar it too. This will be my first time using the strip wash. Seems like you just use it like normal soap. Put it in the bucket and put it in the sprayer. Ceramic coating I'm going to use is the Wolfgang. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, so it says only do it like 2 to 3 ounces. It says the rest do with water. And also, since last video, I've kind of changed products. Pretty much changed to all Adams Polish. Tried their wheel cleaner because I ran out of other wheel cleaner. I was able to get a deal on it, so I was like, I'll try it out. And like, I fell in love with it. And also, because of the ceramic coating, I've done a ceramic coating on the car before when I first got it, but it didn't seem like it lasted that long. And it also wasn't the Wolfgang; it was the Avalon King. And I don't know. I've kind of read some bad things about the Avalon King, I'm not gonna lie. A lot of people say it just doesn't last long, and it was just the basic one. But I didn't do like the strip wash. But like I said, it was like a brand new car. It didn't even have 1,000 miles on it. But I did like clay bar it, wash it, and did all the prep work that needed to be done. But I also didn't use pH balanced soap. It was my first time dealing with ceramic coating, so I used the soaps that I liked, which was Meguiar's, and I don't know if that Meguiar's was safe for it. So the strip wash gets all of your wax and other protectants that you had on it before, which allows the ceramic coating to actually last longer. So after you do that, all it really says do is we'll go ahead and dry it, and then I'm going to see if it needs to be clay barred or anything. Alright guys, so I'm back. Had to go get some detail spray to have as a lubricant for the clay bar. I'm just using a synthetic clay bar, and then pulled the car in the garage. Actually, it looks really good. And I'm just gonna start from top to bottom like I did pretty much the rest of a car. Just gonna spray it real liberally and then go in a circular motion. This one isn't going to take me long to do because I did it probably about a month and a half ago. So it's probably not going to take me that long to clay bar the whole car. The more often you do it, the easier it really is to keep up with it. Something else you can do if you want to do an extra step. I went ahead and bought some, but I'm just going to use it later. Down the road when I need it, it was just buy one, get one half off, so I went ahead and got it. But the iron remover, basically, you just spray it on the car after you wash it, and then you let it sit for about 1 to 5 minutes whenever it turns purple, and then you just wet the whole car. And it pretty much gets all of it off, and it just eats it all. It's not like a replacement for clay barring like I just did, but if you're wanting to do it just real quick, that's a good substitute. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, now it's super slick. Alright, so since I've done this half of the car, I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the camera to save some battery and some memory. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side of the car and the front and rear bumpers, and I'll be back to you guys in a second. So just finished clay barring the whole car with the detail spray. Dude, went ahead and did my tire shine and used Adams Polished Tire Shine and the Adams Polished VRT on the black plastics. So you can see how good the orange turned out with the detail spray. Using this light to I'll show you, so you can just see how good it looks even without the light. You can kind of see the gold in the roof wrap. That is all for prepping the car for the ceramic coating. Stay tuned for the part 2. I'm gonna upload me doing the ceramic coating and how it turns out. Appreciate you guys watching. Go check out my other videos. Said sorry I hadn't uploaded in a while. I'm gonna try to get back into the swing of things. It's just hopefully there's gonna be more track day videos, taking it down to the drag strip, running 1/8 mile. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe and like the video.